10-point crossbows are known for their precision engineering and high-performance features, making them a top choice for serious hunters. With advanced technology, such as rapid-fire capabilities, powerful draw weights, and superior accuracy, these crossbows deliver exceptional performance in the field. Designed for durability and ease of use, 10-point crossbows ensure a reliable and effective hunting experience. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 4. Tenpoint Flatline 460 Crossbow. Stands at the forefront of high-performance hunting equipment, engineered to deliver unmatched speed, precision, and power. With an astonishing arrow speed of up to 460 feet per second, the Flatline 460 provides an exceptional level of accuracy and impact, making it a premier choice for both long-range and close-quarters hunting. The crossbow is equipped with Tenpoint's innovative S1 trigger technology, which offers a crisp, clean break and enhances shooting accuracy by reducing trigger pull weight. Its narrow 6.5-inch width, when cocked, ensures excellent maneuverability in tight spaces, such as dense forests or hunting blinds. The Flatline 460 features a fully integrated AQ slide-down, cocking, and decocking system, which simplifies the cocking process while allowing for safe and silent decocking without the need for a crank. This system maintains precise string alignment and reduces the risk of dry firing. Constructed with a robust aluminum rail and a high-strength composite stock, the crossbow is built to withstand rigorous use while maintaining lightweight portability. The package includes a premium illuminated scope with multiple reticle options for accurate aiming in varying light conditions, as well as a quiver and a set of high-performance arrows. The ergonomic design, combined with an adjustable stock and foregrip, ensures a comfortable and customized shooting experience. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, exceptional speed, and durable construction, the Tenpoint Flatline 460 crossbow provides hunters with a top-tier tool for superior performance in the field. Number 3. Tenpoint Havoc RS 440 Crossbow. Stands at the pinnacle of modern crossbow technology, boasting a remarkable blend of power, precision, and innovation. With its cutting-edge design, the RS 440 delivers an impressive speed of up to 440 feet per second, making it one of the fastest crossbows available. Its sleek and aerodynamic frame is constructed from high-strength, lightweight materials, ensuring both durability and ease of handling. The crossbow features Tenpoint's innovative AccuDraw PRO 50 cocking device, which reduces draw weight by 50% and enhances accuracy with a smooth, consistent draw. The Havoc RS 440 is also equipped with a fully adjustable stock and a comfortable grip, allowing for a custom fit and increased shooting comfort. Its integrated S1 trigger system provides a crisp, clean break with a 3.5-pound pull weight, further enhancing shooting precision. The crossbow is complemented by a state-of-the-art optics system, featuring a variable speed scope with illuminated reticles for optimal accuracy in varying light conditions. Additionally, the RS 440 incorporates the revolutionary Turbo XLT limb technology, which not only increases power but also minimizes noise and vibration for a quieter shot. With its combination of high velocity, advanced features, and superior engineering, the Tenpoint Havoc RS 440 crossbow sets a new standard for crossbow performance and is designed to meet the demands of both seasoned hunters and competitive shooters. Number 2. Tenpoint Siege RS 410 Crossbow stands as a pinnacle of modern archery engineering, offering unparalleled performance for both seasoned hunters and competitive shooters. With a remarkable draw weight of 200 pounds and a blistering arrow speed of up to 410 feet per second, this crossbow delivers exceptional power and accuracy, making it a formidable tool in the field. Its sleek, tactical design features a compact, lightweight frame that enhances maneuverability and ease of use, while its innovative S1 trigger technology ensures a crisp, precise release with every shot. The Siege RS 410 is equipped with the revolutionary AccuDraw Pro 50 cocking device, significantly reducing the effort required to draw the crossbow and allowing for rapid, consistent loading. Its adjustable buttstock and foregrip provide customizable comfort, accommodating a range of shooting styles and user preferences. Additionally, the crossbow boasts an integrated XRTDM scope with a range of up to 100 yards, offering exceptional clarity and accuracy for long-distance shots. The robust construction and advanced materials used in the Siege RS-410 ensure durability and reliability under various hunting conditions. With its cutting-edge features and superior engineering, the Tenpoint Siege RS-410 crossbow represents a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-performance crossbow that combines power, precision, and versatility, setting a new standard in crossbow performance and technology. Number 1. Tenpoint Vapor RS-470 XERO crossbow is a groundbreaking advancement in crossbow technology designed to deliver unmatched performance and precision for serious hunters and target shooters alike. Engineered with an impressive draw weight of 225 pounds and an astonishing arrow speed of up to 470 feet per second, this crossbow is one of the fastest on the market, ensuring both power and accuracy. Its sleek carbon fiber construction makes it lightweight and incredibly durable, enhancing its maneuverability in the field. The Vapor RS-470 XERO is equipped with Tenpoint's revolutionary ATU drawer, Pro 50 cocking device, which simplifies the cocking process and ensures a consistent draw every time. A standout feature of this model is the integrated Garminer XERO X1 eye range finding scope, which provides precise distance measurements and automatically adjusts the crosshair for unparalleled accuracy at various ranges. The crossbow also includes an advanced S-Owner trigger system that delivers a smooth, crisp trigger pull for improved shot consistency. Its adjustable stock and foregrip allow for personalized comfort and optimal shooting posture. Additionally, the Vapor RS-470 XERO's high-strength materials and advanced engineering offer reliability and durability in diverse hunting conditions. This crossbow redefines the standards of performance with its cutting-edge features and superior craftsmanship, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking top-tier accuracy, speed, and overall crossbow excellence.